have a theme every time we do this. So we do it seasonally, a few times a year. And the theme is? Spring. So spring could be springtime. It could mean being sprung. It can mean the actual spring, right? Or like bed springs, or like springing into a new life.
Did for you what you could not do for yourself. Got rid of all your cash so you couldn't buy the vodka. Maybe. My kids are grown now. They no longer play in Little League. But if grandkids come along and spring drags me back to those cold meadow bleachers, I'll be there in a parka, sober.
And she like pries the paper towel from my mom's fingers because it's like all dried blood. Gross, I know. And we all like horrified look at her finger because it looks like a paper cut. And we all kind of look at my mom and she's just like, and this nurse gives her the most brutal look. It is aggressive.
I sat watching that show and I kept thinking about a trifold board in the athletic director's office, about Celia, about us, nervous and proud, saying the thing out loud. And that's the thing about planting. You do it on faith, not sight. And if you're lucky, if you're really, truly lucky, you get to sit in a room one day and watch the thing you believed in become undeniable. You don't get to take the credit, you just get to know.
This is my first Firefly,
Yay!
so I know some of the readers, and I'm just happy to support them. Loved hearing Liz Jannuzzi, because I know she's got a book coming out, so I wanted to support Liz. So I'm all about sharing personal stories. I think they have value, and we feel less alone when we hear people share their stories.
So to watch what Meredith has done and what PWN has done to build out this community event really blew me away tonight.
So how would you sum up your experience in one word?
It's magical.
Exciting. You could really feel the energy in the room, and I think everyone was just happy to be here and sharing stories.
Inspiring.
Inspired. That's a good one.
So inspired.